Hi dear students, our lesson today is about tag questions. What is a tag question? What is a tag question? A tag question is a sentence with a question phrase connected at the end. For example, it's windy today, isn't it? It's windy today is the sentence part and isn't it is the tag. Tag questions have two purposes. First, to clarify information the speaker expects an answer. Example, we have a test tomorrow, don't we? Mr. Amer is coming to the meeting, isn't he? I'm permitted to park here, aren't I? 2. To agree with someone. The speaker does not expect an answer. Example, you are falling asleep, aren't you? The party was a lot of fun, wasn't it? I didn't win the lottery, did I? Forming tag questions. 6 easy steps. Step 1. Identify the verb in the sentence. Omer likes to eat chicken. The verb here is likes. Then, step 2. Identify the type of verb. Is it the verb to be, an auxiliary verb, or the main verb? Omer likes to eat chicken. It's the main verb. Step 3. Identify the tense of verb. Is it in present or past tense? Like it's in present, it's present tense. Step 4. If in present tense, determine if first or third person. If in past tense, use auxiliary to be or do in past. Omar likes to eat chicken. It's third person. Use the auxiliary verb does. Step 5. Is the verb affirmative or negative? Omar likes to eat chicken. It's affirmative. Write in the opposite. If it's affirmative, you write it negative. Like this, doesn't, not does, doesn't. Step 6. Add the pronoun at the end. Sergio, for example, it's a noun. Sergio likes to eat at buffet. Doesn't what? What is the pronoun that refers to Sergio? Doesn't he? So the subject pronoun that refers to Sergio, to the subject, is he. Overview. Step 1. Identify the verb in the sentence. Step 2. Identify the type of verb. Step 3. Identify the tense. Step 4. If in present tense, determine if first or third person. If in past tense, use auxiliary to be or do in the past. Step 5. Affirmative or negative. Step 6. Add pronoun. Subject pronoun. Let's practice. Lunch was delicious. Here we have the auxiliary was. Wasn't it? Spring break is next week. We have the auxiliary is. Isn't it? Class finished quickly. We have the main verb finished in the past. So didn't it? And it refers to class because it's a thing, singular. Now, outstanding exceptions. What do you use after let's, or imperatives, and after I am? This is what we use. Shall. Let's go out for a walk, shall we? Shall, for example, let's go out for a walk, shall we? Will or would. For example, post this letter for me, will you? Don't speak, will you? Aren't. I'm younger than you, aren't I? You have called them movers, haven't you? Number 2. They are coming tomorrow, aren't they? This isn't going to be cheap, is it? You have finished packing, have you? You haven't finished packing, have you? We don't need any more boxes, do we? Pablo is going to help us, isn't he? We can put some things in storage, can't we? Jack isn't buying our bookcases, is he? We need to disconnect the phone, don't we? The movers aren't packing the books for us, are they? Are they? Number 11. We can't turn off the electricity yet, can we? Number 12. Moving is hard, isn't it? Now we come to the end of our lesson. Until we meet again, I wish you the best of luck and thanks for listening. Goodbye.